90% का हमारे पास करेक्ट डाटा है, एटलीस्ट आईडीज हैं। फोन नंबर तो बहुतों के चेंज हो चुके होंगे, लेकिन आईडीज शायद लोग नहीं चेंज करते रहते। तो मैं आपको दे सकता हूँ, आप अपनी एक एल्युमनी क्रिएट, जो कौन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेना चाहता है, वी आर रेडी टू कोऑपरेट। हमारे पास पूरे 18 बैच का ईच एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट का प्रॉपर डाटा है। आई कैन गिव ईमेल आईडी ऑफ एवरीवन, और अगर उसको आप डेवलप कर ले तो वी विल ऑर्गेनाइज अ गेट टुगेदर ऑफ ऑल 18 बैच स्टूडेंट्स,
एंड आई विल प्रपोज अ डेट 15 अगस्त को ऑर्गेनाइज करो। चलो,
यस सर,
यस सर।
बहुत दूर भी नहीं, बहुत पास भी नहीं।
चलिए 15 अगस्त या 14 या 16 वो तो कोई इशू नहीं, लेकिन डेफिनेटली वी विल ऑर्गेनाइज।
ओके सर,
वन ऑफ द गार्डन्स और समथिंग लाइक दैट।
ओके सर।
He can give you, और सबसे बड़ी उसका फायदा जो आपको होने वाला है वो ये है कि वो स्टूडेंट, सबको इस इंस्टीट्यूट से उतनी मोहब्बत है जितनी किसी को भी रही है, and they will help you। आज भी आप लोगों में से कुछ स्टूडेंट्स कहीं जॉब पे जाते हैं तो हमारे पिछले बैच के स्टूडेंट्स की वजह से जाते हैं, ये बिल्कुल सच्ची बात है। दे इन्फॉर्म अस कि सर यहाँ पे वैकेंसी निकलने वाली है, आई राइट टू देम, वी फॉलो अप विद देम, एट टाइम्स रिजल्ट्स कम आउट, कभी नहीं भी निकलते, लेकिन एट टाइम्स इट कम्स आउट। तो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। आई थिंक इट्स नाउ डॉक्टर सलूजा's turn.
यस सर, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सर।
thank you so much sir, we will definitely be making the plan. And now it's a very special occasion and special speech going to be there. Before I invite Dr. Saluja sir, I would like to thank you sir from all of us.
Yes.
We all will agree that at one point of time you were very ill, you were not able to see from your one
Yes,
of your
sir.
eyes. You were all very sad, you were
Yes,
inquiring
sir.
to say sir what happened to you. Even though he was not totally cured, he came to the class, he taught us,
यस,
and that we can never forget. I believe only a true teacher who actually loves teaching as a passion, not to earn money, can do that. So thank you very much sir. Now I would like to invite Dr. Saluja sir to say some more enlightenment words.
थैंक यू सर।
Dear students, Mr. Seth, Mr. Alvaria, and Mr. Pai. My aim had always been to go to the depth, starting from A to Z. And sometimes I feel if we cannot go up to Z, at least M and OP we should go. I expect that we should be regular. Whatever we teach, same day you should revise. If not same day, before the next lecture comes, say today I have delivered a lecture on Monday, again I am coming on Friday. On Friday you should be 100% clear with whatever was taught last week, which I found was missing in this class.
यस,
And you have agreed that probably at BTech level, most of you had not studied the subject. But this you never told me. Many times I have been expressing you what you have been doing in your BTech level. This was all taught. Because I have been teaching for the last, how many years I should say?
46, 47,
48.
I started teaching in 67. 47 years over.
Yes.
I have been rough, tough, but always loving to the students to the extent that they should come up to the required standards. During BTech, practically in every during first year, in every semester I have been teaching one subject or the other. 5 subjects of BTech, all relating to thermal engineering I have been teaching. So long as we were at Kashmiri Gate, hostels were less, the number of students staying in the hostel was less. When we shifted to Rohini, Even many students from Delhi, they were living in the hostels. And once a warden complained to the principal that the students are very naughty, they are always making noise. Sometime we should come and see. Principal said, okay, I'll come. And the day principal reached in the hostel around 8:30 or 9, there was pin drop silence. He went to the warden and he asked that you were telling that the students are very naughty, they are making. Warden said, okay, I'll call one student. He called one student from Nigeria. What is the problem? Today you are not making any noise. He said, 3 days every week we don't make a noise at all. Because next day, as a student class is there, we are required to revise everything before we go for class. And if by chance a student is not prepared, what punishment he gives? If a simple question he asks and his student is not in a position to answer, he has to stand on his seat. If the student commits a little more mistake, he has to stand on this seat. And if he is committing blunder, he has to stand on this seat. So we always fear in standing in the classroom on that desk. So we are always struggling very hard, and that is the reason that in his subjects we are always getting more than 80% marks. Anyhow, principal also thought that there will be something special in his lectures. One fine morning, he came and entered in the class, and principal said, he said, you continue. I was just teaching that portion which probably this time I couldn't teach you, earlier lecture I have been teaching. Multiple evaporators using multiple expansion valves and using a number of compressors with intercooling and flash intercooling system. That is the toughest part in refrigeration. Blackboard used to be quite big. On one side pH diagram, other side pH diagram, and then all the equations. He left the class after 20 minutes, then he called in my office. Mr. Saluja, कैसे पढ़ाते हैं? आपने देखी नहीं कैसे पढ़ाते हैं? He said, I also teach thermal subjects. If this subject is given to me for teaching, I am struggling for 1 week for preparation, and again I will not be able to convey anything without notes. He said, I am surprising that we are switching over from MKS to SI. You are giving the equations in terms of kilocalories, you are giving the equation in terms of kilojoules also. How do you prepare? I said I don't prepare. I prepared once when I was to teach the subject. I started teaching in 67, 67, 68, 69. 3 years I struggled a lot. And afterwards, I have got a number of books. I don't spend more than 5-10 minutes on any day just to go through notes. Otherwise, the rest everything is stored in my memories. My memory boxes are there. Whichever topic you start, whichever subject you say, I will start and I will go from A to Z. And that is the thing which he used to say, even in IIT, that I have never seen a professor like this. Mr. Alvaria came in contact with me for doing his PhD. We studied together the subject. I used to prepare more than what he was preparing. Because every time when he was to come, I knew that this much portion I had to give him. That means I must be thorough with it. I must tell him the various books from where he should go through, and then we enjoyed each other's part learning the subject, and finally concluded to his PhD. After my retirement, or a semester before my retirement, there was a girls' college in Indraprastha University. Principal was inviting me for delivering lectures on Saturday and Sunday for their final year refrigeration first batch. All girls were there, and it was very, very difficult for them to stand on the desk whenever they were committing mistakes. First 15 days they were complaining to the principal that this teacher is very tough. And finally, they appreciated to such an extent that they had written feedback, 66 girls had written a feedback, under any circumstances when he retires, he must be brought to this college. 1 week prior to my retirement, the Vice Chancellor invited me, and he said, Mr. Saluja, you are retiring on 31st March. I would like that you should be here in this university on 1st April. He said, we won't be able to pay you whatever offers are there with you. The offers are in terms of lakhs, but we'll be able to pay you last salary drawn minus the pension. That was very tough. And finally he said, 1st April is my birthday. I would like that you should come along with this lady principal and offer flowers. And I said, okay. Many 3-4 hours, I conveyed them that I am not coming. I am joining this. I spent 2 years, enjoyed a lot, still maintaining good relations with the faculty. Very rough, tough, not diplomatic. It holds good in my family also. Many times my missus will say, ये आपका क्लासरूम नहीं, ऐसी बात नहीं। ज़्यादा डिसिप्लिन नहीं चाहिए। मेरा क्या जवाब होता है? मैं कि मेरे डिसिप्लिन की वजह से आपके बेटे, बहुएं सब लोग PhD। उधर मैं कॉन्फ्रेंसेस में जाता हूँ, रिसर्च पेपर पढ़ता हूँ, उनसे पूछो ये कितनी छोटी एज के हैं, इनको इन्विटेशन हमेशा रहते हैं रिसर्च पेपर्स के लिए। मेरा डिसिप्लिन का घर में ये फायदा। बाकी आपको कोई ह्यूमिलिएशन की बात नहीं होती, तो कभी किसी को क्रिटिसाइज करने की बात नहीं होती। It is always for you to rise in your life, so that subsequently you shouldn't say that these things were not taught. Anyhow, I had spent good time with you. Even when I was not well, I have been coming here. Many times we bring many things about the institute, and finally we say that whatever is the number, okay, let us teach them, make them successful, having a good career. With all this and the good support of Mr. Seth and other faculty colleagues, I wish you that you should fare well in your subsequent.
Thank you, sir.
That's again the best. And sir, we would like to end this that you have been always a mirror to us, and will always keep you as a mirror to us. You show the reality of ours, and will improve and improve. Make you proud. Thank you very much, sir. From that note, we would like to request you to please write a message for all of us on this card. Start with Saluja.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
How are you doing? How are you? Yeah. Very good. Excellent. You got it or got it? So that get it in hand. Word in hand is better than thinking the bush. I know most of the guys mannequins to survive everything. I know a lot of people expose themselves for the stuff. Very good. Very good. और आपका बिजनेस शुरू हो गया है? Yes, sir. कहाँ? और how are you doing?
Thank you, sir.
Sir, on that note, we would like to give a small token of love from all of us to each one of you. First is start with from all of us, sir, Dr. Saluja, sir. Next, Alwalia, sir.
Already got mine.
No, sir. It's a small token of love. Sir, it's from your electrical engineer.
Okay, very good.
Praveen.
That's my electrical engineer.
called Memory of All of Us, and we would like to give this to the institute as our 18th batch memory.
Very good. Thank you. Please. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, can we have a small presentation?
Let's have a group.
Okay.
Group photo.
Fine.
That I will try to make it. इधर करो. That journal. कहाँ वहाँ लोग ठीक जगह करो. ठीक से.
Sir, can we bring this chair over? आप
हाँ.
बैठिए, आप पीछे खड़े हो.
हाँ, ये ठीक.